invoice number. Okay, so here I'm going to write here the invoice number, and then what cost they registered. Okay, what is the cost? Okay, we have invoice number, costs, because over here if you look here carefully, we do have the costs, we also have the cost name. Okay, so this one I'll just put here the costs details, and here invoice number, cost details. Here I want to put the trainer, so who is the trainer for that particular course, and then I just want to put the training fee. Okay, there you go. So we have the invoice number. So what I'm going to do is I will use a filter function, so that whenever it just here over here I just change any of the customer name, it will be automated accordingly. So what I'm going to do is the invoice number over here, I'm going to use the function of filter. Okay, and I'll go to the go to this particular worksheet over here, and here we do have all the invoices. So I'm going to select all this, comma, and what I want to include. Basically, I want to include, so you need to actually understand all these three tables are interrelated each other. Well, let me just show you one by one. Here we have the customer CRM, whereby over here we have the customer code. Under costs, apparently what we have is we have the cost code. And under transaction, which is the master data, we do have the cost code, and we also have the customer code. So basically in this transaction data, we have the invoices and we have the customer code. So what I want to do is I will use the filter function. Whenever I just auto change anything over here, here will show the invoice number for the respective customer. So like I mentioned, I'm going to use filter, go to this sheet 1 over here, select all this, comma again. I want to include what? So I'll just select this one more time. I want to actually include what? Include the customer code. So customer code, and I press tab. But then I need to put here equal. I go back to my worksheet 2. I'm going to select this. Alright. And then I'm going to put here the customer code over here. And then I press enter. So now it shows me the respective customer invoices for all these things. So let me just adjust accordingly. So this is the invoice number.